Hey there! Today I'm sharing 3 Cricut home decor projects without vinyl. It's Mindy, and let's get started. This first project is going to be a floral line art print, and I'm going to use my Cricut to print the design onto this poster board from Dollar Tree, and I'm using this Dollar Tree frame to put my design in. I created this floral line art design in Canva, and I just used a bunch of elements that are available in Canva. These are paid elements, but you can access them with a free Canva plan. What I wanted to show you here is if you have the free plan, you'll want to download this as a PNG file. Once you upload this into Cricut Design Space, it will come up with a white background, and you'll want to remove that before bringing it onto the canvas. Once you have the design in place, we'll just resize it to fit our 11 by 14 poster board, and then select Draw and choose the pen in the color that you decide. Here I'm just showing you that you'll want to move the image to kind of center it within the size of the poster board, because Cricut Design Space automatically defaults it to the upper left corner. And go ahead and follow the prompts on the Cricut, inserting the pen, and let it do its thing. This is such an easy project, perfect to add simple designs to a shelf or a wall for spring, summer season, whenever. Just super easy to do. Then, once the Cricut is done drawing the design, just take the poster board and add it to your frame. For this second project, I'm using a black poster board cut to fit this frame, which I had on hand, but Dollar Tree does have a similar size frame available. I just traced the photo mat that was in the frame and cut out the black poster board. And I wanted my design to just be within the outer border, so I went ahead and cut out those inner pieces of the mat. So to create this design, I chose this image. It's an Easter image, and I'll go ahead and list all the images I used in Cricut Design Space in the description if you're interested. But all I did here is take that image and place it onto a rectangular shape that is the size of my poster, and selected those images together and used the slice tool to create the cutout. And again, moved the placement in the mat preview so that it would cut properly. Just ignore that blue tape there. I thought that I needed to hold the pieces together, but this cut perfectly to fit within that mat. And to keep this in place, I just used some clear tape on the corners. Again, another super simple project, very easy to do. So to finish this off, I wanted to use this metallic vinyl. I know I said this is no vinyl projects, but I'm not cutting this. I'm just using it as a background, and you can use whatever you like. So again, because this was rolling up, I decided to tape it down. And then placing everything in the frame, and we're done. And for the third and final project, I'm using this Cricut adhesive backed paper that you've seen me use in my last few recent DIYs. And I found these 3 vase images in Cricut Design Space. Again, I'll list those in the description. And I'm going to cut each one on a different pattern paper. For this project, I decided to place the vase cutouts onto this Dollar Tree canvas, but I'm going to remove the actual canvas from the frame. And I tried this Dollar Tree craft knife for the first time, and I have to say it worked pretty well cutting through this canvas. So if you see these at Dollar Tree, go ahead and try them out for yourself. And of course, I'm going to keep that wood canvas for a future project. After playing around with this for a bit, I decided to use the back side of the canvas because I like the natural look of it and the texture on there. Again, super simple, just stick these vases on there. I didn't line them up evenly, I wanted them to be kind of on different levels. And to finish this off, I decided to add a little bit of texture using some dried florals that I had on hand. I just trimmed these down and place them underneath the adhesive paper. So here's the final look of my Cricut home decor projects without vinyl. And these are perfect on my living room picture ledges, and I'm loving the neutral contrast with the terracotta accent wall. Let me know which one was your favorite and what other home decor projects you'd like to see, whether Cricut or non-Cricut. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching.